Established in Gujrat in 1957 by Sheikh Rafiqullah, Rafiq Engineering Industries Private Limited is a proud manufacturer of electric fans and appliances under the brand name Royal Fans. Now a household name synonymous with reliability. Though our beginning was humble, with just a small unit in an already established fan industry, focus on hard work and a relentless commitment to quality and innovation cemented its reputation as an industry leader. Today, our factory sprawls over 8 acres. We manufacture an extensive range of 200 plus products, have a vast network of over 2,500 dealers nationally, export to over 10 countries globally, and are considered at the forefront of technological and innovative advancement in the fan industry. Our focus has remained on attaining the highest level of customer satisfaction by using the best raw materials, applying sustainable and best practices, coupled with constant research and development to manufacture the finest products, bringing you a product that promises cutting-edge engineering, premium quality, whilst guaranteeing a perfect combination of style, practicality, and reliability. The finest raw materials are sourced and all incoming supplies are passed through stringent quality control and inspection. 99.9% pure enamel copper wire is manufactured in-house. High temperature and high voltage breakdown enameling varnish ensures our motor's long life. Coils of imported 100% electrical silicon steel sheet are slit and stamped on high-speed auto presses using precision progressive stamping dies to produce auto-binded stators and rotors. The rotors are filled with high-grade aluminium on automated rotor casting stations. The stators are winded with copper wire on layer winding machines to make the fan motor core. All winded armatures go through rigorous electric tests before being insulated in the automatic varnish dipping and curing plant. These premium raw materials and precision processes produce the most energy-efficient fans with a noiseless performance. Our processes are continuously being automated and modernized to attain efficiency and reduce our impact on the environment. Our plastic injecting molding, aluminium die casting, and CNC machining units all have been upgraded with the latest machinery with servo drive motor technology for an energy-efficient operation. The plastic parts for an entire range of products are molded using the best ABS and polypropylene resin. This resin is recycled and reused to reduce waste. Fan bodies and other aluminium components are manufactured in the die casting unit. Special furnaces use wood chip and agri-waste pellets as an efficient alternate and sustainable fuel source to melt the aluminium. The aluminium fan bodies are transported to the CNC section for machining and profiling. The computerized lathe machines ensure consistent quality and accuracy to guarantee a wobble-free performance of our fans. The fan bodies are powder-coated and immediately cured with infrared technology, giving them a flawless and unmatched finish. This automated plant was conceived and developed in-house, and this process not only prevents toxic fumes from releasing into the environment, safeguarding the health and safety of our workers, but also reduces the curing time by over 80% compared to traditional heating methods. For the first time in Pakistan, the fan motors are assembled on a fully automated and conveyorized assembly and testing line. The highest quality imported ball bearings are installed in all our fans. Industrial engineering techniques including lean manufacturing, Kaizen and 5S management principles are employed to ensure consistent production with the most efficient use of resources. Best in-class capacitors are used for the motor circuits. All fans are run for 20 minutes, being rigorously tested by a computer to identify any mechanical or electrical defects before packaging and storage. The fan blades are first assembled and then painted in an automated powder coating plant completely developed in-house. The blades are electronically balanced and packaged. These processes allow us to guarantee the highest air delivery and consistent performance over the long life of the product. At the time of dispatch, each fan motor is given a unique marking for each customer through our state-of-the-art laser marking machines to add traceability. An experienced research and development team is focused on designing new products, upgradation of manufacturing processes, and continuous quality improvement. We are equipped with in-house machining centers, mold and product design department, wire cut and spark erosion machines, 3D printer for prototyping, and complete electrical and mechanical development expertise. A state-of-the-art fan testing lab has been established in-house to test the fans for performance and safety to improve air delivery and energy consumption. We were the first to introduce the Energy Saver fan and now are breaking boundaries yet again with our Smart Series fans in Pakistan. Our fans are also the first in the industry to have been awarded with the International CE mark by RWTUV Nord, and we are an ISO 9001 certified company. Our products are compliant with international standards for exports such as IEC, SLS, GMARC, SASO, CE, PS1 and Pakistan Energy Label. Using the finest raw materials, constantly upgrading manufacturing technology and processes, ensuring strict quality control measures, sustainable and best practices, and R&D, we make fans that are aesthetic, energy efficient, and reliable. We are the only brand offering a lifetime guarantee of our products, making Royal Fans the most trusted brand in the industry that truly delivers on its promise of a lifetime of partnership. रॉयल फैंस साथ जिंदगी भर का।